parang one snap lang ganun, tapos mapunta ka na sa ibang place. Kunyari na out of stock ka, tapos sana ganun lang in one snap, you can get the items easily and bring it back to your warehouse. More on yung effort ng customer na pinicturean niya yung freezer niya na punong-puno ng breast milk storage bags, and ginamit din niya yung pump namin together with her storage bottle. So almost lahat ng mga ginagamit niya, Blythe items. Yung song siguro, Blessings. So yung lyrics niya goes, "'Cause what if blessings comes through raindrops? And what if trials of these lives are your mercies in disguise?" Nung pandemic, kasi akala namin na, syempre since everything's closed down, sayang ganon. Pero actually, it was an opportunity na nag-boom yung business namin. Go lang ng go. Kasi ako shopaholic. Ngayon, hindi ko na inisip, anong pwede bilhin? Iniisip ko na ngayon, ano bang pwedeng ibenta? Imagine yung mga baby bottles namin at saka yung mga storage products namin, makikita mo internationally, ginagamit ng mga different nationalities. Parang ang sarap sa feeling na, wow, international brand na kami. Kahit nasa bahay ka, nagta-travel ka, you're on vacation, you can still work anywhere. At saka kahit natutulog ka, kumikita ka. Kasi 24 hours siya online, so whether day or night, parang umiikot yung pera mo, kumikita ka pa rin.